Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Melissa and I help people navigate through their mental health journey. And in this video, I'm going to go over the power of nutrition and the impact it has on your mental health and how it can be used to treat mental illness. So with that being said, let's get started. So there's actually a new and emerging field called nutritional psychiatry. Pretty much this is a field of study that looks into your diet and nutrition and the impact it has on your mental health. I've been studying this over the past couple of months and just learning about it, applying the information that I've learned about it to myself had me shook. I couldn't believe what I was reading. I was so fascinated by it. Nutritional psychiatry has been proven to show that your diet has an effect on the structure and function of your brain and is actually linked to depression, anxiety, and even suicidal thoughts, which is crazy. And it can actually be used to shift from drugs to food-based therapies, and that was a huge game changer for me. I was prescribed Lamictal, which was a mood stabilizer. It did lift my depression, but it didn't help alleviate my anxiety and just some of the side effects that came with taking the drug. It was something that I couldn't tolerate for a lifetime. I remember a couple of instances too, actually, where I was very drowsy all the time, even in group hangout and social setting. I couldn't be my normal extroverted self. I was very tired. My tiredness dampened the mood of the people around me. And there was also this other instance around the time of my birthday where Jonathan bought me tickets to go see Sabrina Claudio, which is a R&B soul singer. I just remember feeling so tired, like so sleepy, and I thought maybe drinking alcohol, having some beer or a cocktail would help wake me up, but it didn't. And oh my God, I felt so bad because the entire time, and he spent a lot of money on these tickets, and I felt so bad because I didn't want to be there and I didn't care about being at the concert, even though it was my birthday, because I was so sleepy. I just wanted to go home and sleep. Now I don't have to take medications for my bipolar disorder, and that's been a huge game changer for me. Moving on, one question that you might have, what's the connection between your diet and your mental health, right? There is a connection between your brain and your gut. Your brain is actually on all the time, and it is responsible for subconscious functions such as regulating your blood pressure, regulating your heart rate, and all the other things like that in your body, and needs to have a source of fuel to function like that optimally on a day-to-day basis. And there are certain macronutrients and micronutrients that your brain needs from outside sources. Your body cannot make it or synthesize it itself, and so your body gets that source from the food that you eat. Both your brain and your gut are connected via the vagus nerve. They are working interchangeably with each other at the biochemical level with neurotransmitters, hormones. It's really important to get high quality nutrients that your brain needs to function. Carbs, fat, protein, and micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals. And probably thinking, oh my God, your body needs carbs. I can drink and eat processed foods, but no, it's high quality carbs. Carbs that you can get from potatoes, other sources, or whole foods. There are actually mood boosters that you can get from high quality sources, amino acids, which is proteins, healthy fats, avocado, omega-3s you can actually get from chia seeds. I actually used to make a yogurt and put chia seeds in the yogurt every single morning, or your smoothies. Iron, zinc, magnesium, you can get those in vegetables. Every single plant-based vegetables has these nutrients in various amounts. Vitamin B, it might be something that you have to supplement because that's the only source of nutrients that you can get from meat. That's why adopting a whole foods plant-based diet is ideal, because you can still get that, but just not eating meat all the time, maybe every once in a while. And then vitamin D, which you can just get from the sun. What about supplements? If your body needs all of this, can't I just get it through supplements? Yes, but ideally you want to get it from whole foods. You want to get it from its most natural and organic form, because supplements may help in the short term, but long term it can lead to supplemental toxicity, which is not good, because as I've mentioned in yesterday's video, your body is all about balance. The next question that you might want to be asking yourself is, what am I consuming in my diet that is toxic toxic to my body. Certain foods like chicken, eggs, all that stuff, it actually contains a chemical compound called arachidonic acid. I think I said that right. And that chemical compound can actually cause inflammation in the body and inflammation in the brain that can disrupt the structure and its function. So that's why it's important to eat certain fruits like blueberries, berries that contain very high antioxidant properties, and it actually clears out the free radicals or anything that's toxic to your body. 95% of the serotonin in your body is produced in the gut. Serotonin is a very important neurotransmitter in the body that is responsible for feeling well, feeling good, and depression is linked to low levels of serotonin in your body, and it's a chemical imbalance. Like I said, certain foods like probiotics, you can get that from kombucha. I'm actually drinking that right now. I know a lot of people don't like kombucha, but it's an acquired taste. I didn't like it when I first ate it. I didn't like it when I first drank it, but now I kind of like it. Or fermented foods, kimchi, sauerkraut, helps with your microbiome, which is the bacteria in your gut that is responsible for all the things that take place in your body as well. One example where I feel like this is really true, because I actually am coming out of a little bit of a dip, very mild last week, felt very exhausted. I was taking naps almost every day, and I'd wake up from a nap feeling drained, feeling exhausted, and I literally went downstairs to go make myself a smoothie, threw in a lot of chia seeds in there, which is omega-3 fatty acids, and literally within 20 minutes I felt more rejuvenated, I felt more energetic, my mind was a little bit more clear, because sometimes it affects my cognitive thinking. Again, this is a very new and emerging field, and as we continue on and move along in science and in medicine, I believe that this is going to pave the way for a new way of dealing with mental illness and treating mental illness. This is very life-changing stuff, you guys, and I truly believe in the power of nutrition. I really encourage you and hope that you take what you've learned in this short educational video to just think about what ways you can implement or make changes in your diet so that you can feel better. I know that feeling, and I felt trapped. My challenge with you, the course of action that I challenge you to take, is to slowly cut out chicken, cut out poultry, as it is a huge contributor to inflammation in the brain and can actually increase your risk for depression. Do that for a week, see how you feel, and see what happens. Let me know. Leave it down in the comments and let me know how much that has improved your mental state. So that's all that I have for you guys in today's video. I hope you did find value in it. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please be sure to like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Again, leave down in the comments what ways that you might implement change within yourself and in your diet. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, much love, and many blessings to you.